Hey everyone, welcome to Data Millennials. I'm Atul, and in this video we are going to see that how we can create duplicates of an existing calculated field in the data source of a Looker or Data Studio. So in order to create duplicate of an existing calculated field, what you can do is that you can click on edit and come to the edit section of this page, and then you have to come over here in your data section, and as you can see over here we have three different calculated field: record count, which is getting created by default when you load data. Then I have total items sold, and then I have variance of unit price. Now suppose there is a requirement change that instead of unit price you need sold items variance. Then what you can do is that you can update this function, or you can create a new calculated field. Now if you do not want to do all those effort of creating a new field from scratch, what you can do is that you can come to this data source and click on this edit data source. Once you click on this edit data source, then Google Data Studio will ask you to reconnect. Once you click on reconnect, then it will give you this section where you can see your fields type, default aggregation and description. But most often what happens is that Google Data Studio directly takes you to this section also, where you can directly see your fields type and default aggregation. Now you have three matrices over here, and out of these three matrices you can see that this fx is over here appearing. This means that these are the two calculated fields which I have created in my previous videos. Now if I need to create duplicate of this variance of unit price, then what I can do is that I can click on these three dots, and then you will see you have an option called duplicate. If you click on it, then Looker will create a duplicate of this variance of unit, and then you can click on finish. Once you click on finish, you will see that you have a new field called copy of variance of unit price. You can change the name of this field by clicking on this fx, and then you can change the name. You can put something like this, that variance of unit price 2, or anything based on your requirement. You can update the formula also, and then you just need to click on update and finish. And this is how basically you can create duplicates of an existing calculated field in data source in Looker or Data Studio. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.